Old Mickey D's. So I got their new sauces. I had to try them out, right? So we have sweet and spicy jam and MAMBA sauce. I really have no idea what these are supposed to taste like, but I got a little Happy Meal. So I got my fries. We're gonna go ahead and try this out. So let me set this up. Let me take the wrappers off and stuff. I'll switch around the camera and we'll see what these taste like. All right, so MAMBA sauce on the left, the sweet, spicy jam, whatever, on the right. Let's go ahead and give this a shot. There I am. All right, so first off, let me get a fry. Let's get some of this MAMBA sauce. So it's very like jelly-ish, almost like a sweet chili sauce. It's different. I do like it. Ooh, it's a little spicy. How about that? I wasn't expecting that to be spicy. The other one says spicy. It's kind of like a I'm trying to like fry bro. All right, so it is like jelly, and it smells how it tastes. It is good. It almost tastes like if you had sweet chili sauce and you put a little barbecue in there. It's got a little bit of the barbecue type flavor, not really the smokiness of it, just that kind of tomato base, but with sweet chili, which is interesting. All right, let's try the sweet and spicy jam or whatever the other one was. Oh, this one's thick. This one's super thick. All right, this one's like literally a jelly consistency. All right, there's little bits of pepper all up in there. This looks like a straight sweet chili sauce. Let's give it a shot. That is, uh-oh, I got a bee in the, I got a bee in the truck. Don't sting me, bee. All right, that one's super interesting. It's absolutely delicious. It's like it is a sweet chili flavor, but with a strong blueberry, which I don't think I've ever had before. It's spicy blueberry jam, essentially. You get another little scoop without making a mess. I never eat in my car, by the way, so making an exception here just to try this. So you see that dripping down? It looks good. Yeah. And that packs a little punch too. It's just like slightly spicier than the MAMBA. If you like barbecue, you like it a little spicy, and you like it sweet, because both these are sweet, the MAMBA is probably for you, and the other one's definitely for you if you like more of a jelly, like just straight up jelly in your fries, which I never thought to do. Like I remember back in the day, IHOP used to have all those different jellies on the table, and the blueberry was the bomb. That was my favorite. If they made a spicy version of that, that's what this would be. So I'm going in again on that jam. That's my jam. All right, so wrapping it up. Both are really good. Obviously, they're supposed to be limited time. If it sounds good to you, try it out. If you did try it out, let me know in the comment section what you thought. Anyway, I like them. I like them both. And just like everything else I like in the world, it's usually limited time only. Anytime I find something new I like, they just discontinue it. That's how it goes. So anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.